I'm gonna show myself making a beat on the Mpc Key 61. This thing has over 6,000 sounds. We go into edit instruments. This is definitely one of my favorite pianos, and I use it all the time. All those beats I post on IG, I'm using this. So now I want to make something from it. I would go here into pad perform mode, use one of my progressions, of course. So I'm going to use the Masada Dre Piano 18. So this is what I came up with. It sounds like a sample, right? But that's this keyboard here. Okay, I went and found the organ. I used the same progression to come up with that. If it's not broke, don't fix it. This is one of my favorite features. What keyboard control does, it keeps it so you can't go out of key. Go here to snap the scale. I put this to F, because the beat is in F. No matter what I play, I'm always in the same key. I can't mess up. This bass is from Masada Cycle Kit 5. It's from the S950, and I added a portamento effect onto it. Came up with this. Very simple, but effective. Found this pad here like this. I use the same progression, just keep it simple, stupid, right? This voice is from the repository, Her Voice 6. I use this all the time on my beats, man. I'm very proud of that sound. Go on to the drums, you know. I'll show you what I came up with. And you can press and hold the touch effects, and it'll give you a ton of choices that you can assign to this the touch slider here. My favorite is the reverse.